Reunion Island is the latest addition to a family of volcanoes. After appearing in India, the hotspot gave birth to a ribbon of underwater mountains and new islands that stretched for almost 4,000 miles in the Indian Ocean. The hotspot punctured the Earth's crust like a blowtorch, leaving some evidence in its wake. Before Reunion emerged from the waves, there was the island of Mauritius, which is 5 million years older. The farther we go north, the further we venture back in time. The Chagos Islands were created 45 million years ago. Still farther north from the Chagos, another huge archipelago extended almost to the coast of India, the Maldives. These were some of the first islands built by the hotspot. They used to look like Mauritius or Reunion Island. Today, they have been reduced to low-lying atolls. Where did the typical hotspot islands go? What happened to the ash and black basalt? What became of the plants and animals that lived on these isolated oases? They all sank. Once the hotspot no longer supplies its volcano with magma, the island gets eaten away by the elements.